What's up, guys? Welcome back. My name is David, and today we're going to be talking about a marketing strategy I started using recently with Snapic. Now, in the past, I showed you guys how to use SEO. That way, you can be found on the Google search engine on the very top page of Google. One of the things I started doing is this, and it has its pros and cons, but hear me out. When we're at the event, setting up the event on Snapic, we have the options to use all of this stuff right here. Now, for every event, I usually have the text messaging icon, the airdrop icon, and the QR sharing station. Now, I use these three features. I love using airdrop because if the people there have iPhones, to airdrop that video to them, it only takes 2 seconds. So that right there is wonderful. If they have an Android device, you can usually text message it to them, or you can have them scan a QR code. That also works pretty well. However, what I started noticing is how do we target these? How do we retarget these folks that already experienced the 360 booth, that were thrilled, that absolutely loved it? So I'm thinking, why not text message them the link or text message them the video? Because what Snapic is going to do, and I can't really dive into it and show you guys my screens because it's going to show you everyone's phone number. But when you go to Snapic Analytics, it's going to show everyone's number. So what you can do as a business is copy and paste that number into like an email campaign, or just send email promos and letting them know, hey, if you book with us within the next 2 weeks, we'll give you $200 off. So this is going to help you guys retarget those same folks that experience your services at that event. So this is a strategy that I'm doing, is I'm reaching out to the folks that were at the event. In addition, what I'm doing is I'm going on my website Wix and I'm creating a coupon. Now this coupon, it works really well because Wix has all the emails of everyone that's booked with me. So whether they book 2 or 3 or 4 hours, I can reach out to those people from last year and send them a promo code saying, hey, we miss you, X, Y, and Z. Here is a temporary promo code you can use to save $100 to $200 on your upcoming booking while supplies last. That's another strategy that I'm using. And I understand right now, guys, it's very competitive out there. Very competitive. A lot of people popping up, a lot of new businesses, a lot of 360 booth businesses popping up. And hey, we just have to play ball. We have to roll with the punches and see how we can escape this competition. So you guys are probably wondering, should you lower your prices? What are you doing? I'm going to be diving into this part of the business in these next upcoming videos. So don't mind me stuttering because I'm great at that. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like this video. I'll see you guys very soon, and good luck on your next event. Peace.